Good morning to all my awesome friends and family. Well, it's the Cozy Corner time, and now it's a fairy garden in the Cozy Corner. This whole corner for this post cost me a total of $13.99. That's right, $13.99. How can that be, Grandma? Because the only two new things in this whole post is that birdhouse and the tray it's setting on. The birdhouse was bought at Home Goods for $12.99, and the white tray that it's setting in came from Dollar Tree. Yes, Dollar Tree. And that's a cupcake serving tray, and it was 99 cents or a dollar. Is it not beautiful? I just loved it. I bought two of them because I went and bought two birdhouses, and each one will have their own little tray. Now I can leave it in the house and use it as a miniature garden with no live plants at all, and it still looks beautiful. The only thing that was live in this whole floral arrangement were these beautiful flowers I got for Mother's Day from one of my friends. It's just about done. This will probably be the last post I'll be able to do in the Cozy Corner with these beautiful tulips because they're on their last legs. But you know, I'm not complaining. I had them for quite a few days and they looked beautiful. But everything has a time, and their time has come and gone. Are they not beautiful? Like I told you, every day when I take a picture with them, they look a little different. And that's the great thing. Well, all the other beautiful flowers you see in here are all artificial, and most of them I've had for quite some time. The blue butterfly is at least a couple of years old. The black and white Mackenzie butterfly I just got last month, so it's a new one. But is it not a beautiful one? Goes with everything, doesn't it? This was bought a couple of years ago at Pier 1 Import, and I've used it a lot, and it's beautiful. It is an egg, but because I just like it so, I'm just using it year-round now. I don't care if it looks like it should be for Easter. It's one of my favorites. Then I have a pair of these that were got this year because, you know, I love lots of little containers that I can scatter about all my different things in my home decor. It can be on a tablescape, it can be in the cozy corner, it can go in the living room. I don't have to do anything but dust it off and place it. My favorite kind. The orange slices I made myself. Someone at work gave me a bunch of oranges, and they were sort of small, and these made perfect orange slices. I dried them in the oven until they dried out. So I have used these for months, and I really have been happy with them. Probably will get some more lemons and oranges and do this again for next year. I thought it was a great idea, and it turned out wonderful. Let me know what you think about the Cozy Corner and how much you like the little fairy garden. Like I said, Grandma's got a lot of fairy gardens. She needs to do 100 this year. So you're going to see a lot of fairy gardens being repurposed and being reused because 100 is a lot of fairy merchandise. But Grandma's got a lot, so we'll see how close I get to that 100 fairy gardens for 2021. I'm sure I'll make it. I'm doing 30 next month. Oh my gosh, 30 in 1 month? Yes, 30. I'm going to be exhausted. I think after we get through with that, I'm going to have to take a little bit of time off and rest. Between Alice in Wonderland and 30 fairy gardens in 30 days in June, Grandma's getting a little tired. But I hope you enjoyed the Cozy Corner Fairy Garden post for today for $13. Oh my gosh, I thought it turned out pretty good for a $13 investment. And the best part of all, I'll be able to reuse these pieces later in next month and a month after that, and there'll be zero cost. Because once I've written it off, it's free from then on. Hugs and kisses to my awesome friends. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for all your kindness, and you keep me going with all the wonderful comments you always leave me. I always enjoy hearing from you all. Please take care. Spring is here, and get out of the house and enjoy it.